So here is a quick and easy way to make a random number in Excel. So they actually have a function in Excel that allows you to make random numbers. It's just do equals RAND, open parentheses, close parentheses, and press enter, and you'll get a random number. And this is great. It gives you a random number. And you can do Control C, hold down the shift button, and then just press the down arrow to get the number. So as I went to fill in random number. So, right here, 27, press enter, and it fills them with a bunch of random numbers that is between 0 and 1, which is great. But this does lead to a couple problems. For one thing, every time we do something to it, like let's just say I change this cell to 2, all the random numbers change. I change it to 5. Also, every time I do something to a cell, the random numbers change like that. And also it's between the numbers 0 and 1. And sometimes it's real here, you want larger numbers. So there are some ways to get around that. One way is to use the rand function, but to have some additions to it that cause the number to be larger. So you can do equals rand plus 50, or equals rand times 1.8 to the 12th power. All of a sudden you have a much larger number. And so we can copy and paste down. And all of a sudden you have much larger numbers. So like change that to, I'm just trying to show you that you get larger numbers. But let's say you want the minimum value to be like 1,000 or something, right? You can do rand, which gives the random number to the 1.8 power, times 1.8 to the 12th power. You can do plus, let's just say 5,000. Now all of a sudden, all the numbers are going to be above 5,000. But that still leaves with one major problem, and that is the fact that the numbers change. Sometimes you're trying to do something, and you just want the numbers to stay in place. Well, here is a great way to get around that. Just do Control C to copy, press the Shift key to highlight, press the Control button, and hold down the Control button at the same time that you press the Shift button. Use the down arrow, it highlights all the data in the cell. You can do Control C to copy that data range, and beside that point, to get around that, what you can do is you can copy it, and you can paste it again. But when you paste it, do right click, don't just do Control V, do right click, see paste options right here, paste, do the paste option with these little 1, 2, 3 numbers, paste values. And all of a sudden, if you see this part here, instead of being the rand function like it was before, like this, you had the number. You had the random numbers that you're looking to keep in place, and now whenever you do something to them, you're just going to numbers, right? They don't change. So one interesting thing too is that now that you have these random numbers, you can go and format them in different ways. So for example, if I wanted these to be dollar amounts, like to match the revenue column, I can highlight them, and because copying and pasting that way, made them just numbers instead of the random function, I can make them dollar signs, or I can make them percentages, or I can even just format them to add these little commas and dollar signs, which is something that is extremely valuable if you want to present data for different ways and for different reasons. So I really hope this is going to help y'all make some random numbers in Excel. And if it did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any requests or questions, comments, concerns, anything. Please let me know. Have a fantastic day. Thank you.